Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to reset or recover your forgotten password on Temu. So let's get started. So if you have forgotten your password on your Temu application and now you want to reset that, so to do that what you can do is first of all open up your Temu application, and after opening up your application just tap on the U option which is on the bottom middle of your screen, and after tapping on that simply tap on sign in or register, and after doing that just enter the email address or phone number that you have created your account with. After entering it just simply tap on continue, and after tapping on continue now you will find this forgot password option. What you can do is just simply tap on it and then tap on submit, and now you will receive a 6-digit code in the following email address that you have entered. So what you can do is just simply open up your Gmail application. After opening up your Gmail application, just simply change your profile, and after changing it, you should receive the 6-digit code. What you can do is just simply copy this code from here and then paste it over here. And after pasting that, now you can easily reset your password. So what you can do is just simply create a strong password and then tap on submit. And after tapping on submit, now your password should be changed. So now what you can do is just simply come back and then tap on U, and you will be automatically logged into your account. So you can simply go ahead and log out from your account and then check if you have successfully reset your password and then try to log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to reset or recover forgotten password on Temu. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.